Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine. In today's video we are going to talk about how you can create a video directly with the use of artificial intelligence. So for the purpose of this tutorial we are going to work with a tool called Invideo. So it's an amazing tool that is free but has some paid versions, but for the purpose of this tutorial we are going only to use the free version. So to have access to it you can simply use the link down below this video. And once you have used it, you will be on a page that looks like this. So to create yourself an account, it's pretty simple. You can just go here, write down your email, and you will be able to log in to your Invideo account. Once you logged in, you will be on a page that looks like this one right here. And on this page, you can simply write down the video that you want to generate. So in our case, what I propose you to do today is to generate a TikTok video. So it's gonna be pretty simple, pretty straight to the point. So it's gonna be a 1 minute video. So let's write it down. So let's say that we wanna generate a 1 minute video about volleyball. So we'll write down here, generate me a 1 minute TikTok video about the rules of volleyball. So this will be basically a really basic prompt. If we want to make it a little bit more advanced, well, not more advanced, but just add a little bit more detail, we can ask the AI to use a energetic voice and dynamic music. So this can be a way for us to create a nice video prompt with the use of Invideo. So once you have written your prompt, the next step is pretty simple. You can click on the button generate video. Once you have clicked on it, what's gonna happen right now is that the app will analyze what you have written and will create a video from it. So in our case, it's just a 1 minute video. It should take you maybe 2 to 3 minutes to create the video. So once again, you'll have to answer a few questions. So as you can see here, you have your audience, how you want it to look and feel, on what platform you want to post it. So once you have answered to those questions, what you can do after that, simply click on the continue button. From that moment, as I said, it should take a few minutes in order for the video to appear. To be ready. Once it's ready, it will look something like this. So here I have my video that I already have pre-generated. And the video is 1 minute long in a TikTok format video. Now, if I want to edit my video, how can I proceed? It's pretty simple. What I can do is I can simply use, so as you can see, it's really 1 minute long. So how I can proceed is pretty simple. If I want to modify something, I can just write it right there. So if I want to add some footage, if I want to delete some footage, and simply click on the generate button and it will do the appropriated modifications. If I want, for example, to do more advanced modifications, I can click on the edit button right there and I can really go scene by scene and modify the scenes that I want to modify. If I want to modify the script directly, I can go on the script right here and modify the whole script. So pretty much everything that is said, I can change it. I can even change the narrator's voice that is right here. So if I don't like the voice or I want it to change, I can just change it there. Finally, I can even change the music that I have. So what's cool with this tool is that you have a music library. It already includes a music inside of your video, but if you want to change it, you will be able to do so. So as you can see here, those are all the musics that are included. So this is pretty much how you can modify your project once it has been generated. Last thing, if you like your project now and you want to download it, it's pretty simple. You simply click on the button right here and you will be able to download your project. Once it's downloaded, usually it will be in a MP4 format. You'll be able to choose if you want to have the trademark, if you don't want it, what quality you want your video to be. So you will be able to select all this. So once you have downloaded your video, you will have access to it in an MP4 format. So like this one, and you'll be able to play it. So we're not gonna watch the whole video, but you get pretty much the point. So this is how you can really create a TikTok video with the use of artificial intelligence. So what's cool with those videos is that you can post them pretty much everywhere. There is no there is no rights on it. So basically you generate them and you can use them for your own YouTube channel, for example, for your own TikTok. So you really decide what you can do with it. So sky's the limit of what you can do with this app. Once again, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.